welcome to your learning channel. That's my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. There are many videos for you to learn through my videos, so please subscribe my channel. Now, to learn, let's see what's there for you today in this video. So today we will learn about line graphs. Now, what is a line graph? A graph that shows information that is connected in some way, such as change over time. Let's see one example. Suppose you are learning of facts about dog, and each day you do a short test to see how good you are. So these are the results. Facts I got corrected. So day 1 3, day 2 4, day 3 12, and day 4 15. And here is the same data as a line graph. So here is the facts, day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4, and the facts 3, 4, 12 and 15. So same data we have shown here as a line graphs. Now how do we make a line graph? So let's learn about the making of a line graph. So one example of an ice cream sales. So this is a table in which it shows the week, that is Monday to Sunday, and dollar amounts are given. So let's see how we will make this as a line graph. So let's make the vertical scale go from $0 to $800 with tick marks every $200. So first of all, we will draw a vertical line with the tick marks on it. Then we will label the tick marks and give a scale. So we have given $0, $200, $400, $600 and $800. Then draw horizontal line and tick marks and labels. So we have drawn horizontal line and tick marks are there, and we have written a days of a week from Monday to Sunday. Then we will put a dot for each data value. So we have given a dot for each data value. Then we will connect the dots and give a graph a title. So here we have given a title ice cream sales, and we have connected a dots. With each dot we have made a line so that it shows this is the line graph. Now, important point to remember in a line graph. A title. Vertical scale with the tick marks and labels. Horizontal scale with tick marks and labels. Data points connected by lines. So these 4 things should be there in your line graph. Now, parts of a line graph. First is title. Title is the most important in a graph because half of the information we will get it from the title itself. So the title of the line graph tells us what the graph is about. Labels. The horizontal label across the bottom and the vertical label along the side tells us what kinds of facts are listed. Scales. The horizontal scale across the bottom and the vertical scale along the side tells us how much or how many. Points. The points or dots on the graph shows us the facts. Lines. The lines connecting the points give estimates of the values between the points. So this was all about the line graph and the important point to be remembered in the line graph. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.